Hey guys, I'm scienceboyakshansh. Have you all wondered that what's a stylus pen? So if not, then let me tell you that what's a stylus pen first of all. Stylus pen is a device which takes electric charges and writes on the screen. So actually I don't know that properly that really how does a stylus pen works, but this is the basic which I know. But it's the same formula how a touch screen works for electric charges. So I actually need a stylus pen for myself and maybe some of you. So wait, can we conduct our charges from our hand to this device to the touch screen with special equipments? What can be that? Let's think. What about copper, a conductive material? We can get it in simple wires, we can extract it from there. Then we can use cotton for sensation of our skin. So I guess these all conductive devices will be really good for a stylus pen. So let's get started into the video. So here are the materials which we need. I have a copper wire over here. I extracted this from this wire by melting and then extracting. We'll take a pencil for the structure and some cotton. We can also use a pen, but for now let's take a pencil for easy. I have some cotton over here. Let's take out some cotton at first. Wait, let's take out some more cotton. Fine, now we'll take our pencil and place the cotton on the tip. It should cover it properly. Fine. Now we'll take a copper wire over here. As we've taken a copper wire, you can also use aluminium over here, but it's better if you have over here. So first of all, we'll take a copper wire over here, as I've shown, and place it over here. Press it, and then wrap it like a normal thread. It should be a little tight, so that the cotton doesn't slip. Fine, so it's almost ready. So now we're just one step away. We'll dip our cotton point in some water. 3-to-1. We don't have to dip it so much that it gets really wet, a little. And now our stylus pen is ready. As you have seen that we have made the stylus pen, so let's see that how does it work. But don't forget, your hands should touch this point, only then it will work. So here I have my phone. Let's check. Oh, see, it works. It really works. You can clear your cache memory, go to YouTube to watch my videos, go on Google, tap scienceboyakshansh, and etc. Hey guys, don't forget a main thing. If you will not subscribe my channel, your stylus pen will not work. So don't forget to subscribe my channel like this and hit the bell icon for notifications. And if you like the video, please like it also. And don't forget to write the comments. Thank you and bye. See how efficient is this? You can finally type something. And type my comment. Very nice. And if you didn't did this, your stylus pen may not work. So thanks for watching.